Hell yeah, what's up guys? It's Curtis Pyke. My friends call me Big C. Back in action. Today I got something amazing to show you, and I'm going to show you how to do it for free. We are going to do video face swapping. Not image face swapping, video face swapping. You're seeing this video here? This looks pretty natural. This looks like a nice, attractive lady doing some sort of silly, goofy dance at Walmart, and yeah, it looks pretty natural. But here's the thing. That's not her face. That is literally a new face added on top. This is crazy. If you don't believe me, I'm going to X out of this, and then I'm going to go back to face swap, and then watch this. When I go over here to this one here, this is the original shot. Let's take a look at this one. This is why it's so wild. I'll hit play on this. That is a completely different face. This is the original shot, and again, this is the new shot. So I'm going to show you how to do this, and we're going to do it about 60 seconds for free. Let's go. All right, the first step is you want to go to acool.com. Link will be in the description below. From there, just click on login, and if you have an account, go ahead and use it. If you don't, you can sign up. It's for free. I'm going to sign in with my Google account, although I also have a Outlook account as well, but I'll go in with Google. Let's go with that because I have a free and a paid account, and I believe this one's my paid account. Okay, yeah. So my paid account has a whole bunch of credits on it. My free account comes with 100 free credits. So there you go. So you can run this a few times and you can try it before buy it. 100% all good. Up at the top here, you'll see platform. Under platform, the first thing you'll click on is face swap. It's basically the first product. And then bang, here we go. And now this is what interests me in this tool. It is unbelievably easy to use. So I'm basically just going to choose a file. Now most face swappers are, they use image to image. This is video to video or video to image. So let's click. I've got an image, a video here, pardon me, of this white girl doing some sort of silly dance. It's going to analyze that for me. It'll take a second. I'll come back when it's done, and then I'll take you to the, well, it's already done. I don't even have to leave. Okay, so here we go. We've got this, attractive white girl doing some sort of silly dance, but that's not the face I want. I want this girl right here. So I'm going to zoom in and show you. We've got dark hair, very different look, completely different look, actually. I'm going to go ahead and select that. So here's what happened. I click on demo, and then you'll see here that it's detected the face and it's added it in. Now, also, if you have your own face, you can click on this plus and you could add up your own face. Like if I wanted to put Marcus Aurelius or this llama on it, pretty much you can add in whatever face you want. I'm going to use one of their demo faces just because it's easier. And then down here, you can see that I can re-age her. If I want her to look younger or older, I can go ahead and do that. And also face enhance if you're going into the 4K zone where you've got really high res footage. I'm going to leave that off for now, but you can go ahead and use that as you see fit. Now, all you got to do is click on high quality face swap. Watch this. It's going to swap it out, and then in a few seconds, well, actually maybe a minute or so, it'll go ahead and cook it up in my library. So while I wait for it, I'm going to come back. I'll show you what we got, and that'll be it. All right, welcome back. So it's gone ahead and cooked it up for us. Let's click play, see what we got. All right, just looking at her, we have a completely different face attached. This is absolutely crazy. This reminds me of that Nicolas Cage and John Travolta face-off movie from like 1995 or 6. But there you go. It is done. I'll have a comparison video running in the background there. That's it, guys. It took 2 minutes. This is how you do video face-offs using AI tools. Thanks for watching.